Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to open up Snapchat messages, pictures, and videos without the other person seeing that you have opened it, guys. Alright, before we get into this, guys, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away. So if you want to win this, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone. Alrighty, let's get on with the video.
So what you want to do, you want to open up Google and you want to type in the URL at the top, odexgen.com. And it's going to bring you to this site right here. So what you want to do is you just want to scroll down until you see the Snapchat Plus Plus application. So I see it right here. So what you want to do is just go ahead and click on that. And it's going to say app tweaking required. And then you're going to see an orange button that says download Snapchat Plus Plus. So guys, it's going to say tweaking app. So what this means is preparing your phone to inject new coding and software into your original Snapchat application so that you guys can view pictures, videos, and chats without the other person seeing. Alright guys, so it's going to say preparing human verification. So what this means is it's going to send you to a CAPTCHA completion challenge, or in other words, a human verification test. So guys, these are very simple. So you see, for me, I have 3 apps and then a survey. With the apps, all you have to do is you have to install them and then run them for 30 seconds, guys. And then with the surveys, all you have to do is fill out very simple questions. So I will do a survey because this can be tricky sometimes. Alright guys, so it'll bring you here, and then you see answer question 1 of 3, so there's only 3 questions. Do you like McDonald's brand? Yes. How do you plan to use your gift card? Keep it. And about how many times you go shopping per week? 3 to 7. Alright guys, and then it's going to ask you to confirm your email, so all you have to do here is type in your email, and then it's going to confirm it and verify it. Make sure it's a real email, guys. Alright, it's going to say thank you, email confirm. Then you're going to come back here, and then you're going to go through any app or any survey that you have to do. With apps, all you have to do is install them and then run them for 30 seconds, guys. Very simple. And I just showed you guys what to do with surveys, so that should be simple.
Alrighty, guys, so once you have completed that whole process, completed all 4 offers, guys, then you should be able to open up pictures, messages, and videos on Snapchat without the other person seeing. Let me know down in the comment section if you had any problems with this. Just drop your social media and I'll DM you guys and let you know how to fix the problems, guys. I hope this all worked out for you guys good. Thank you all for watching, and before I go, I just want to mention this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away. If you want to win this, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone, guys. Alrighty, thank you all for watching.